translation t taken at the point 1 2 to the point 5 minus 1. Second translation, the other translation no. Second translation S translation no. The first translation is T translation. The taken S translation 1 2 2 minus 2 3 no. Then S is, look at S is followed by T. Then find the translation S is followed by T. First translation T translation say to be 1 2. Translation vector is unknown, change into 5 and minus 1. Then translation vector say to be translation vector is 5 minus 1 is say to be 4 minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Okay, therefore now this is translation vector for the first translation T translation. The second translation S translation taking point 1 and 2. Then using the translation letter, the translated letter is unknown, then change into minus 2 and 3. Then translation vector for S translation, then minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Again 3 minus 2 is say to be 1. Okay, this is translation vector for the first S. Okay, now S is followed by T. S is followed by T means translation T taken as S1 and 2. Now translation vector, unknown translation vector. Now find translation vector 1 and 2. Then 1 and 2 means translation vector 1 2 means translation vector 1 2 means is equals to minus 2 and 3. T minus 2 and 3. Okay, then using the translation vector V, translation vector V is minus 4 and minus 3. Now 4 plus this one minus 2 is now 2. Again 3 minus 3 plus 3 is now 0. Okay, now the answer should be B. Okay, አሁን ይሄ ቢ ነው የሚመጣው ማለት ነው። ለምን ለየብቻ ነው የኤስ ትራንስሌሽን የቲ ትራንስሌሽን ለየብቻ ሰርተን ከዛ በኋላ ኤስ ኢዝ ፎሎዊድ ኦር ኤስ ኢዝ ፎሎዊድ ባይ ቲ። ናው እናንተ ደግሞ የምትሰሩት ምንድነው ቲ ኢዝ ፎሎዊድ ባይ ኤስ ቢሆንስ ብላችሁ ይሄንን በደንብ አድርጋችሁ እንትን በሉት። መልሱ ቢ ነው የሚመጣው ማለት ነው። የሁለተኛ ጋር እንሂድ። translation taken circle equation of the circle, this one to change to this one. Okay, then what is the image of 1 3 under the translation? That means solution. Then let's T translation. T translate to minus 2 and 3 from the first equation. Translation vector unknown, then change into T translation or T prime, change into 3 and 0. Okay, now 3 minus this one, that means 3 minus of, look at 3 minus 2 is 5. Translation vector is equals to 5. 3 minus, look at 3 minus 2 is equals to 5. Now the 0 minus 3 is minus 3. This is translation vector. Under this translation find the image of D 1 and 3. Translation vector V is equals to 5 and minus 3. That means 5 plus 1 is now 5 plus 1 is 6. Then minus 3 plus this is 0. Therefore now the answer should be 6 and 0. Okay, look at A, B, C. C is 6 and 0. Now third equation. Don't forget about this one. Okay, students. Now if T is translation taken 0 0 2. Look at 0 0 at origin, 2 3 minus 2. M is reflection line. Look at translation and reflection no and ላይ ያመጣሁት then translation line translation line L says that y is equals to 2x plus 3 no. Then what is translation reflection of 1 and 3 ማለት ነው። በደንብ ጥንቃቄ ያርጉት። እኔ ያልኩት ትራንስሌሽን ፈርስት ነው። ትራንስሌሽን 002 32 ነው። ኤም ኢዝ ሪፍሌክሽን ነው። ሪፍሌክሽን ላይን ነው የሰጠሁት። ዘን ፋይንድ ትራንስሌሽን ኤም ዳት ሚንስ ኢሜጅ ኦፍ 1 and 3 ነው። ኢሜጅ ኦፍ 1 and 3 ከሰራችሁ በኋላ ዘን ትራንስሌሽን ነው የምትሰሩት። ፈርስት ግን ኢሜጅ ኦፍ 1 and 3 ትራንስሌሽን ወይም ትራንስሌሽን ቬክተር ይሄንን ተጠቅማችሁ የዚህን ኢሜጅ ከሰራችሁ በኋላ ኤ ቢ ሲ ዲ አለ። ምርጫውን ያው በደንብ ስሩና ሶሉሽን ሴቱን ኮመንት ላይ ላኩልኝ ማለት ነው። የነዚህ ነገ እሰራላችኋለሁ። በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። ታንክ ዩ